Whoa, 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 ma'am. It was on fire. Your car's on fire. Yeah, you're good.
Turn left here,
Oh, they went straight. Sneaking Tylenol PM into girls' drinks. Sneaking dinosaur grow capsules into girls' drinks.
Like the little pill ones?
Yeah.
They look down and there's a dinosaur in there. Yo, you can't be dropping pills in
I know.
There's no way.
But it's so funny.
So
I can imagine somebody like, that guy just put something in your drink. It's a freaking dinosaur.
It's just expanding while he's saying it. Say, yeah, here's $100, don't call the cops.
Like, that's a stegosaurus.
I like have a propeller hat on.
Oh, it's dripping.
I got you these golden flowers.
How nature grow like that.
Wow, they smell great.
Always stop.
I smell the flowers too much.
You just gotta stop and you just gotta smell the flowers.
Thanks, babe. Can we open it?
Super glue.
Can you open the glue package? Rotate. Other way. So they mic'd us up, and the camera guy can hear me talk through his headphones. So I'm gonna say some really weird stuff and see. We'll get his reaction when I'm saying it once he puts his headphones on. Do you ever pick your nose and then like put the booger inside your butt?
Yeah. Put all the boogers in your butt.
What boogers or earwax on
I
butt?
got a big booger I can give you.
I put like six.
Put six boogers in your butt?
Yeah.
I'm like, what? What are they talking about? I'm literally saying, I'm like, what is going on right now? He's shocked. What is wrong with you?
Oh my god. Yeah, dude, that looks freaking real. Look at that hairline, dude. Oh, whoa. I'll look and be like, yo, yeah, that looks good. I love your laugh, dude. You're like a pharaoh. Oh.
Now you're making me laugh.
You should have a staff. Oh. Off-roading, brother. Jesus freaking Lord. Ah, it's solid cement. Ow. I know, like any other ceiling in the whole entire world.
It literally feels like straight rock.
I want him to cast the pole and hit those people on the dock with a fish on the end of the pole. He just like casts it and hits their freaking face with a fish. But the rest of that hamburger I didn't eat last night, dude, I just mashed it up and shoved it in my ears. To just keep, because JJ was snoring, so I smashed the hamburgers and put them in my ears. I got some of the goo off the fish and I just used it as hair gel because I forgot mine and then wiped it in my hair.
Hello. Waiter's walking out. He's looking at it. You just picked it up, dude. Oh my god, that's f***ing hilarious. Dude, he's taking it in.
Dude, I wrote $0 on the tip part.
Dude, like he literally held it out, arms outstretched. And like, he's walking around with it. He doesn't know what to do. Oh my god.
Is he looking for us or anything?
No. He's like cleaning up the table with it underneath his arm. Another server's coming up and talking to him about it. Another server just grabbed it. The other server laughed.
We left a server a giant tip, but like a big quarter.
Like a serving tray right now.
I called you coming in today.
Oh, your bell's broken. Well, when I do it, it's not working.
Don't put your hand on it.
Tap on the top.
I know, but don't touch it when you're doing it.
Don't touch it.
Yep. When you touch it,
You stop the bell.
You stop the bell.
Shit.
How do I do it without touching it though?
Just
I don't
like
get
that.
it.
No, touch it just like that. Don't touch the sides. There you go.
Oh.
I don't know how to.
Stores hate him. Find out this one weird trick. Is he massaging the mannequin?
He is tense.
Ah! Oh! 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 You're like looking away from me. But screaming in the wrong spots.
Okay, I was like, what's going on? The whole ride was like, I was like that, you know, like that meme that would be like.
You're such a big burly creature. Dude, you can't even breathe in that thing. Come in how I'm supposed to breathe and bro, you don't need a mask, just grow your beard out real big. Just like charge at people. Alright, I got a bulletproof vest for you.
Y'all should go to a restaurant and sit down.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, dude.
You're like, use your napkin.
I'm teaching you manners.
Now it's funny.
Well, what he said is funny.
It's funny when he says it.
I just want the Wookiee to like me. It's like I put it on, I look like a kid in their dad's clothes. He's like, he gave me a thumbs up. I can't believe it. I thought he was pulling us over for sure. He went like,
Dude, he was